Hi guys, welcome to Rochi Talks. In today's video, I'm showing you my watch collection. This is not to brag you guys. I'm a fan of watches regardless of the price. Cheaper version, branded, luxury, it depends. If someone gives me something, I would really appreciate everything that I got. So over the years, I've been collecting watches, and these are one of those watches. So this will be another content that I'm giving you guys. So please keep tuned and see what all my watch collection. And before you leave this channel, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you want me to do more of this kind of a content. Now let's talk to my first collection right here, you guys. Prices for this, I don't really know now the value of it, but I got this at an outlet store in the US. I believe I got this at, I'm not sure, TJ Maxx, I think. TJ Maxx has a lot of like good deals over there. There are days when they do their cleaning up their inventory. So I visited one of the days when they have new inventory, and I found this. This is Puma. So look at their brand there. I don't know if you can see it. We've got like stones right here. Okay. So I got this below $100. I believe this was like $99, I believe. Somewhere around 90 to 100. That's a less than $100, and it was really a good deal because this kind of watches, I believe this is around 200 to 300, maybe 200 to 300, and it's a good quality one. It my rubber now is getting faded because this has been a long time, you guys. I'm not sure how long ago was this, but probably 8 years, I believe. So you can see, guys, this still works. All of my watches works, and I've been keeping it. I'm very much fond of those. So you got this. The thing with this is hard. The rubber is not stretchable, so this is good for like in a gym like that, right? So if you're kind of sweaty, like it's not easy to remove, or if there's an accident probably. So this is a good watch, but heavy. This is very, very heavy, sure. So yeah, this is my first collection. This is from Puma. Okay, Puma. The next one I got here is from Lacoste. Okay. Not very sure where did I get this watch from. I think it was also from a thrift store. I'm not sure if it's from Ross, Marshalls, or TJ Maxx. I'm not sure. I forgot, guys. Or it was from Nordstrom. The Nordstrom rack. In California, there is a Nordstrom rack. So I'm not sure. I think it was from Nordstrom that I got this. It probably this one is a little bit less. Somewhere around $80, I think. Yeah. So when I saw this, like I'm so fond of color white is my thing. Yeah, it's very nice. It's not the color right now is like off-white now. This used to be like super white, but over the years, guys, I don't know how to clean this one. This is what it looks like. You got the logo there, the Lacoste, the crocodile thing that they have, and then the stones in front. I love when it's sparkly. I don't know, you guys, I love the bling blings, so I love that sparkly thing over there. And then on the back side right there, Lacoste, right? So this is my second collection, right? And if you know how to clean leathers from watches, or if you have any recommendation here in Cebu, Philippines, comment down below. Or if you are from outside the country and you know how to clean the leather watches, please give me a comment. I want to clean my watches, so please send me your thoughts. Okay, the last one but not the least is this right there. Okay, this is a Guess collection watch. I believe I got this from TJ Maxx. Yeah, this is around, I believe, $90. It was a good deal because this is a very nice watch. It faded, you guys. This one got destroyed here in Cebu when I tried to have a store replace my battery, and then the person that did my replacement of the battery didn't know what to do because of the type of watch that I have, and that person destroyed something inside the mechanism of this watch. But I think I'll have to go to a repair shop, a watch repair shop, to have it fixed. But it still works, but something is going on inside this watch. So I hope we can fix this one. This is a Guess collection. Okay, that's why it's got faded so much. You can see, because I really love this, very handy for me. But you know, over the years, this is my go-to watch at the time when I bought it, so it's kind of fading right now. So I will try to fix this one because I really love it. I will try to see, and maybe I could do a vlog and go to a repair shop if they can fix my watch, because there's something going on inside. There is some noise inside of this watch. So these are my 3 watch collection for you guys. I hope you like this kind of content, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next collection watch series.